What up, everybody? It's Coach MeannaDK, and today I am unboxing my gravity-fed stainless steel water dispenser. Okay, why did I choose to tell you guys about this? Because, man, I've been waiting a long time. What's true is I wanted a Berkey, but I don't know if you guys know the cost of Berkeys. I'm just gonna put it right there so that you can see. Yeah, so I went ahead and went with a different model that I found on Walmart.com. It was a couple $100s, which is a few $100s less than the Berkey. Okay, so I just thought that I'd go ahead and tell you guys about it while I figured out how to put it together. Make sense? They're definitely telling me to, before I even start, you gotta clean it completely. And before cleaning the components, they're telling me, wash your hands. Why did I even decide to do it? Well, I can't do plastics anymore. As much as I can, I want to reduce the amount of plastics, forever chemicals that are coming into my body. And I know it, I don't have to worry about how long it's been sitting inside of this water bottle or sitting on those pallets or whatever the case is. It's just better for me and my family and what I think is best right now. You know what I mean? It was a upfront cost, yes, but the savings are definitely going to be beneficial. Now, would I prefer to drink only spring water? Of course. It just gets a little pricey for me. So I'm going to do what works for my family, what works best for my life. You know what I'm saying? So I thought about editing this part of the video out because it has me out here looking like I am not smarter than a fifth grader. So the purpose is to get the filters down in the holes and then, put the little spigot thingy on it, right? Okay, so I was sitting here racking my brain trying to find the best way to get them both done at the same time, because why not? And you're gonna see me go through the motions with trying all of the things. I even thought about speeding it up so that it wouldn't be so obvious that that's what I was doing. But I thought, you know what? We family. Why not? Let them just see me struggle, okay? So as you can see, I still haven't found the proper way to do it. No, but it's coming. No, a change gonna come. It's been a long time coming, okay? But I know, and you know, because you're watching the video, that a change gonna come. Okay, so, yeah. And again, like I said, I thought about taking this part of the video out, but, it just kind of is what it is. So I tried lifting it up. That wasn't really working because it kept falling over. So there were a couple other ways that I tried it, and then I finally landed on the way that it's supposed to be. Boom. You see it. You see it. It only took like 2 minutes, but that's a long time in real time. 2 minutes is a long time in real time, but I figured it out, and I'm putting a little spigot or whatever on there. So now the rest of the process is easy peasy lemon squeezy. All I have to do is put the bottom part down with the spigot already attached, and then put this part on top of that part. It fits in like a groove, and put the top on. And we're pretty much done. So the thing that I'm looking forward to the most is not having to continue to purchase bottles of water. I thought about getting that Primo water cooler, the one that has the hot and the cold water. And listen, that would be super convenient for me. You see me putting the thing down with the spigot, right? So getting the Primo water bottle would have been convenient for me as well. Excuse me, the water cooler. But the problem with that is, like, you still have to buy these plastic 5-gallon water bottles. Not only that, you got to take it to the water place to get more water and then lug it back home. Listen, I am not trying to do that. So this was a much better option. I'm just looking forward to being able to take water right there from out the sink, pour it in there, and getting some water out. That's what I'm excited about, and that's why I went through all of this fuss. And listen, shout out to me because I'm the type of person who would have normally had my kids do this for me, but I did it myself. Check me out. Ow. Okay, so what's left? We gotta put some water in here and see how it tastes. Let's go. Okay, y'all. Y'all hear the water gravity feeding. I can't wait to taste it and see how it tastes. It tastes delicious to me. Delicious. This is a good purchase. I'm glad I made the purchase. It did take me a while to take it out the box because I was intimidated because I don't like putting stuff together. Anywho, I'm going to get better at that because as I do more homesteading, I'm going to have to put more stuff together. And I'm excited about that. So what's next? What's next? I'll probably try to make those shampoo bars. That'll probably be next. Or my shea butter. I love my shea butter. And I figured I'd teach you guys how to make it as well. This journey of homesteading is very, very interesting. I love it. And I'm also intimidated at the same time. But every time I do something or see something that I touched come to life, it tends to make me more excited to try something else. You know what I'm saying? If you found value in the content that I produce and that I bring you guys and you'd like to see more of it, drop down in the comments and let me know what you'd like to see more of. Please like, subscribe, and set those notifications so you know every time I drop a new video. I will be bringing you more consistent content every Saturday, no matter what. And I think I want to incorporate Wednesday as well. So every Wednesday and Saturday, probably you'll be getting new content from me. But don't forget to like and subscribe. I think I said that. But anyways, until next time, I'm MeannaDK and I love y'all. I swear I do.